Yo, it's Dank. Shouts out to New York for not legalising weed yet. That means Dank's something he got to deal with. You just food on my plate. Pasta, veal, shrimp. One question. Can he beat this? Unlikely. Cause I'll expose Sonny as a bitch like Tammy Lynn Cinch. Your mum's a flabby big bitch. Still catch a scummy glaze on a scummy face. And all that light and kinda stumbled a bit. But it don't matter. Cause I'm known for chilling out on sunny days. Easy. That's intro bars, throwaways, don't even count them. Here's the real shit, yo. Fuck the jokes. I came to son, so let's proceed. You rep the East, New York, that's West to me. Fuck your girl, I'll ex your queen and the rest of queens. Go get your team, I turn EGB into rest in peace. CD speaks heat, get the best of me. There's more chance of Willie having sex for free. I stay behind bars like Lecter's teeth. Yes, Clarice, I 8-4s, elbows to where you smell, bro. I'm fucking up Dave's nose. MMA tactics, then the blade goes straight for this lame's throat. What I'm trying to say, you see sun wetted up after a rainbows. And I ain't saying you ain't dope. Just need to switch your shit. You got the same flow, son. I'll eclipse you quick. My shit's too slick. Why? Cause I go dialect with the dialect, try and step, draw the blade, introduce him to the iron edge, blow blunt smoke down the cunt's throat on his dying breath as they see blood running down some temple on a Mayan flex. I am death, resurrect the corpse, make him die again. I call that deja vu, but that's a kind of stretch. You a minor threat, need a hose to get vaginas wet. Last time sun shut down pussy was a cyber pet. I'll throw a party for you and your crew, spice the keg, leave Sunny side up like frying eggs. Laugh as they cry and beg, try repent, thinking the other side is next. Claim he can handle Dank, but seems to struggle with that smack white and X. Respect, that's what I'ma get whenever I drop a video battle. See son comment like damn Dank, get on Dort Flop, you killed the whole channel, disposing of a filthy old flannel. Only time you slanging dirt, you ain't clapping the eagle, packaging diesel or banging birds. Faggot Herb ain't about that life, yeah it's always Sunny pen in metal. When to be frank, you couldn't have the Mac back at the flat if you were Dennis Reynolds. I know many devils, Leeds heads who squeeze text, you know, the ones who dialect and P-rep in each set. So I put a couple queen's heads on this queen's head, tell them do him dirty, cause I don't want a clean death. Hammer to the jaw, I don't want no teeth left. Feed his carcass to some pigs they've starved, cause I don't want to leave flesh. So if this battle's debatable, no body, we still all know Sunny D's dead. Leeds.